Hey there.
You dumb fuck! It's a SpongeBob snag!
God, I'm fucking
Bitch!
Gary! It's raining diarrhea. Get the bucket ready.
Who the fuck would waste all of this shit? If you ask me... Fuck! My...
Testicles.
My beautiful lumpy testicles. Oh, hey, Squidward! Nice.
condom.
Hey, I got
1.
2. Now I look...
Like a bitch.
Patrick, do you want to taste some
Shit.
I'm tasting it.
With my cock.
Besides, I don't know how to play...
Myself.
No, Patrick.
A shit.
It's like a
Poopy.
I live in a
Straight up turd.
So your house is a...
Soda. Piece of shit.
Get the penis out of your ass, boy, and eat a poop. Fuck! SpongeBob snacks are made with lots and lots of
Dog semen.
so eat real
diarrhea.
Okay.
This real
Shit.
is full of
Porn.
I feel
Like a piece of shit!
Hey, SpongeBob! Can I...
Chocolate something.
shit. Here you go, Patrick.
Yo, man.
I brought you some wieners to go with that.
Shit. No, fuck you, yo.
Piece of crap.
You know what, motherfucker? Go eat a bowl of poop, bitch. It hurts my cock.
That was some bull!
Shit.
I got
A lot of
Shit.
I got
So much shit.
Hey, Patrick, can I have some of your delicious... You got any money? Yeah, let me go get some. Mr.
boobs.
Get your sucky away from me, fat. Looky here, Mr. Word. If you want some money, I'll bet $700 on the big poop race today. I've never heard of the big crap race.
Banana
Watermelon is rollable. Corn is
really hairy.
and they're off.
Oh shit.
I think something's
Fucky.
with my watermelon.
Shit.
There.
Aim is getting better.
Who's gonna
Be victorious.
Come on, Patrick.
Don't shoot.
Oh no!
My penis is...
Peeling.
For a second, I thought he said penis.
I almost definitely shit my pants. Fuck yeah.
Oh, but I can't.
Brad
My
Wiener.
Abracadabra, fag nut.
Ah, sorry.
Well, suck me sideways.